most of this area is flat, right? And it's like a mix between the swamp area and like dry area.
Yeah.
So because of that, you got different eating of the land, and some places it goes higher, some places it starts coming down. The air is all over the show. It's so annoying. You need your backpack, eh? Oh.
Hi, Jimmy.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Well, thank you. Freshened up and ready for our high tea and safari. Yeah, feeling good, looking good. My lips are dry as hell, but we'll sort that out soon. I need to actually look where I'm going because elephants and hippos actually just do pass through the property. This is our high tea set up. What is this? Scones, mini cupcakes, or what is happening?
Yeah, these are mini scones. But it's savory stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, mini cupcakes, banana cupcakes.
Yeah.
Pineapple skewers and homemade caramel fruit.
Perfect. It's so much bigger than I thought. It's huge. I don't know why I thought it was small. We've ruined our sighting. You seen this?
Still a nice city. Ooh. Hey.
The vibes.
The vibes. The unlaid hair.
Okay, so we've taken a stop for our sundowner. Although the sun is like straight out of here, man. We managed to see a lot of elephants, as I've shown you. I think that was really the key sighting of the day. We'll see if we're a little bit more lucky tomorrow. But we got, good shots, good experiences with the elephants, which is great. And here is Jimmy giving us our G&T. Hey. So we are done here, heading back to camp. So we're following her around now. She is so beautiful. Come through, Carol Basket. A lovely warm welcome after our game drive. This is a Springbok. Dinner is served. So we're here in the main area. I want to show you my favorite part of this place. Yeah, this is where we spend most of our time. So yeah, let me show you around. We've got a lovely collection of books. I was super excited to see that we've got Talifang Charles's book here as well. Free plug for my boy. And yeah, let me show you around. Is this also part of the Khwai River?
Yeah, it's part of the Khwai River. This stream here and that one passes in front of our lodge. They join each other ahead.
Okay. So, safari lesson number 1757. Do not do your makeup in a dark tent because I be looking crazy. But yeah, so we've been on the hunt for a lion. It's not looking too successful. We don't know where it crossed to. I will show you the hippo now. Is it the one that's there in the middle? Hey, Kirayo. Let me show you.
Sharpening the horns. I think this is their time busy. It's a rutting season for them. Yeah, guys would actually go for a time and again sparring to try to withdraw the guy who is taking control of old ladies.
So we stopped for a little bit of coffee and some content. Here's our guide Jimmy just positioning the car perfectly for that cute Instagram shot. Tell you guys where I got my if lost return to Botswana tee. They're called Avid Traveler VW, and I can't wait till the world opens up and I can actually wear it somewhere else because this tee is life. So we're back. We left here at 7:15. It is now a few minutes past 1. Literally 6 hours. So we're just gonna have lunch, siesta a little bit, and then go and find those lines. Ew. So they've set lunch up for us here by the pool. Looks super cute. Let's see what it's going to be. Yum. Love the view. So Uyapo is stuck in his room because there's an elephant outside. So I'm just gonna have to sit here and wait because I can't. I'm not risking my life. There is the Ellie that was just outside his room. So I'm gonna stop here. So you survived?
I did.
How does it feel?
Do you see it? It's actually approaching us.
Yeah.
Wild, guys.
That is Ushu. She is the actual best thing to happen to Khwai River Lodge. The most famous celebrity. I am so full. I'm so bloated. I just need to go and get a cuter outfit and then ready for high tea and safari.
That booty.
This is the high tea setup. What are these skewers?
Mozzarella cheese
Yum.
and chocolate brownie.
Delicious. Thanks. That is obviously going to be. Stopped for our sundowner. There's a hippo right there. Let's pray and hope it doesn't come out. Bubbles time. Everybody, it is day 3. Absolutely obsessed with my deck. Got to see the beautiful Khwai River just over there. Life really bangs right now, I'll tell you that. So after an epic swim, we seated here to have lunch. We've been eating, my friend.
We have.
3 courses, 3 times a day with teas and everything in between. We have had a great culinary experience. Do you want to share a bit more about your food?
The food's been amazing. From the 3-course meals that you get during your brunch and your dinner, to obviously high tea at around 3:30 with savory and sweet little treats. But what I loved the most were the bread.
My dog, the
bread
bread.
that they fed us, guys. I'm not a huge fan of bread, but what they did, there was one day 2's lunch. They had this mozzarella, rosemary, almost.
I think there were olives in there.
Olives as well.
Yo.
So good. So good.
And they will always make sure that a girl has her bubbles. Thank you so much, Ushu.
Thank you so much. Today's menu is quite interesting. We've got a kubu burger. Just from the look of it, we've obviously got a mushroom, tomato, your cheese, your onion, and obviously your patty shop. We've got fries over here. Okay, Bunny, you saw the menu.
Called a
I didn't
mac
see
and
it.
cheese, a veggie mac and cheese.
Yes, look at that.
Delicious.
Look at that. And then we've got
With the angles.
chicken with smashed potatoes. This is
And
delicious.
this was, I think they said it was a lemon and herb something.
Something.
Yeah,
We'll
I don't
taste.
even doubt that it's delicious.
So the overall food and culinary experience at Belmond Safaris is always top notch. I remember the meals that we had at Eagle Island Lodge. They really do match this as well, because we were amazed at Eagle Island. So this is also quite amazing. Like we said, if you want to drink throughout the day, you always have your glass constantly filled. Look at those bubbles again. So, but other than that, wow, guys, at the same time, you kind of like hope that they don't give you food because you are so full all the time.
But then it bangs, so then you have
It
to
does.
put more
Then you have
in
to
your
eat.
stomach.
So literally, the time now is past 3. We're gonna go shower, come back and eat some more, and go out and have food on a game drive, and then come back and have dinner. Guys, literally in the space of 4 hours, we're gonna have 3 more meals. Don't blame me if I come back looking like a stuffed sausage. Please.
A happy stuffed sausage.
Bon appetit.
Cheers to that.
It's messy.
Or you can.
Thank you for saving us, Richard.
Oh, you're welcome.
Hi, Richard.
Hey, thanks guys.
How are
Yeah,
you?
Richard, I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
And I have that little, where's that phone thing? Oh, okay.
So we're just gonna make our U-turn and start heading towards the picnic spot.
Perfect.
Thank you.
We're here.
Dumelong.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
And how was your afternoon tea?
We couldn't even eat.
Delicious. My absolute favorite song. Thank you, Teddy.
You're welcome.
excuse the general mess of the room, but they've brought the nets down to ensure that it's ready for bed. And yeah, this is where I have been, guys, and it's great because it's always air conditioned. It's fantastic. I have a note. Feedback form. Fantastic. But yeah, guys, this is where I've been. All alone. Wild. So that marks the end of what has been a very eventful day 3. As you've seen, we had really wanted to relax, get some pictures in, and we got all of that and a beautiful sunset bush picnic, which was amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I presume this is going to be a very, very long vlog, so I appreciate all your viewership. Please comment, please like, please subscribe, please share. And thank you so much for watching, guys.